Let's go.
Stop it! Stop it, please me! Okay, stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
If you spoil this thing, I'll kill you. If you spoil this thing.
Go out!
Like your next.
You're like, despite the cross.
Mom! Dad! You need to come and see your son. He's on a loose again. He's going to kill a car.
He's at it again?
Yes! For what?
Will you stop? I said stop that rubbish this minute.
Will you stop?
Am I not talking to somebody that says stop this nonsense this minute? Like that. Take your legs off. Are you mad?
That you don't like my method of life doesn't give you the right to embarrass me before my subjects.
Methodist.
What is this? What is this?
Okay, you are disciplining him by sending him to afterlife.
Listen, he needs to be...
You want to kill him?
These people eat 3 times a day. Some do 4. So once in a while, they need to exercise. We are working out.
Don't by any means get 1 step inch to him again. Stand up from there.
This is why I don't like you. As a matter of fact, I hate you.
What?
Because why can't you correct me privately? You must embarrass me before everybody. You want to show that you are the man here. One day, I swear, I will slap you before the guards.
Will you shut up? Shut up, Chinozie. Are you out of your mind? You're talking to father. Have you forgotten it's your father you are talking to?
Is he the only father around here? Why must my father embarrass me every now and then? If I'm your son, call me privately. Correct me inside.
You must pay for this insult. I promise you, you will pay dearly for this insult. What insolence? Don't ever get close to him again. Did you get that? Hey, both of you, come here. Seize him immediately. I said seize him and take him to his room now. Do you want to lose your job? Now take him.
Grab him now.
Grab her.
What is that knife?
Dossier.
Come and slap me. Slap me. Come and do what I ask you to do immediately. Yes. If you touch any of them, they see what I'm going to do. I mean, stupid. Come on, take him out of this place. Immediately. What am I paying you for?
Dossier, respect your father and go with them. Respect
to his room and chain him there.
You are my father now. I'll go and tell myself. Don't worry.
I lost him. Indeed, I lost him.
Yes, you lost him.
Gods of our ancestors, what have I done to deserve this? I lost him.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love, for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love, for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every
don't know. Have you seen Undertaker before? You know Undertaker? You remember Undertaker? Have you watched the WWE before? Hey, what Prince did to me today is combination of WWE and Raw. The Prince carried me up, told me 7 times. I was rolling 7 times on the air. You know, carried me. Bim. My neck. I heard one noise. The thing just did. I stopped hearing. My teeth, if not God, all my teeth would have been gone. Hey. Today was not funny.
No, not laughing. But just imagine how your front teeth will be without no teeth.
It's like, see, as you go finish, they can't still remove your front teeth. Ha! Don't be saying you don't talk to Alicia therapy now.
No. Stop touching me.
Sorry.
Let me do myself. Let me call you people this afternoon. Can they talk to you?
No. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
I will handle it. Me, security officer in this palace. No, just continue. No, wait, continue laughing. I can't even focus. Hey! Even you, Nora! You're laughing at me! Nonsense. In fact, I will not work again today. I'm on leave. Who is that? The electrician. Wait. Tell me the truth. Are you the one that prepared that nonsense I ate last night?
What sort of stupid question is that?
I know it can only be you. So you are the one that prepared that nonsense I ate last night. That nonsense that almost got me shooting out my intestine.
I don't blame you now. She and me bother myself last night. I will leave you to sleep on an empty stomach.
You will leave me to sleep on an empty stomach? Look at your mouth. As what? You know fit. Me, Celestine, you cannot stab me. It is my right to eat in this palace. Look at the nonsense you prepared. You are even bragging. Look at the nonsense you prepared that almost kept me in the toilet all through last night.
What is going on here?
No. Thank God you are here. This girl prepared beans that kept me in the toilet. I've been shitting. I've been going to toilet on all through last night.
Sorry, it will not happen again, yeah?
Wait, Nora, I don't understand. Is that what you have to say? How dare you condemn my food before this fool?
Who is a fool? Me. Latrine, me fool.
Nagi!
Hey! See, if you insult me again in this palace, if you insult me, I will lose it. I will use my military training. And forget this my hand on your face. Just try it. Try it!
Hey, it's okay. You don't need to be fighting with her now. She's a lady and you're a man.
Thank you for correcting me. I am not fighting with her. I will just bury you alive. You are too small.
See who wants to bury me.
It's okay.
Ta!
It's okay. Don't worry. It's
You see you? Okwagi, I will twist your mouth in this palace.
It's okay. Let me go inside. When I cook this afternoon, I'll bring food for you. Is that okay?
Hey, now you are talking. See here, I swear to God, you are the only one that has sense in this palace. As you're fine, that's all your sense fine.
It's okay.
You even get sense past that one is your man.
It's okay.
I swear.
It's okay. Don't worry. When I get inside, I'll cook for you this afternoon.
Okay. Look, I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. Please put
It's
vegetables
okay.
on top. I get all sour, no put pepper. Hey, Jesus. See, as this girl fine, that's all her food will be fine. You say that she prepared this thing now. The thing will be nourishing my stomach. I won't even complain. So that one want to use poison to. See, Latricia, come back here. Let me tell you something.
Up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love.
Silence.
For the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love. For the things that make me happy.
You're my boy. Hey.
Yes.
Oh, you're the one that prepared this one.
Yes.
Hey, I said it. All your ancestors must be chef. All of them put together.
You're funny. Yeah. Take it.
Darling,
I need to be going inside.
it's not done like that now, so soon. At least you're supposed to stay with me and be rubbing my back while I eat the food.
As what? As my husband.
See, let me tell you something, Nora. It's remaining just 30,000 naira for the money to complete, and I will come and pay your bride price.
And when do we agree on marriage like this?
Me and you, we don't even need to agree. Oh. We don't need to agree. Who will leave a very beautiful, fine girl like you, a talented cook, and go and marry nonsense outside? See, be patient with me. My money will soon be complete, and I'll come and I'll marry you.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me go back inside before the queen start looking for me.
Just let my car and touch my back now. Come and touch my back now. I will come and collect it later. In fact, I'm feeling ready. There's no need to eat this food again. There's no need to eat this food again. Hey. Oh, let me just do testing. Hey. Seafood. Hey. Hey. The food is blessed already. No need to pray. No need to pray.
Yeah? Open the gate.
Sorry, my prince. I cannot. You go instructed me not to open the gate first.
What did you just say?
Sir, the Igwe instructed me not to open the gate for you, sir.
The Igwe instructed you not to open the gate for me.
Yes, my prince.
That makes him the biggest fool on earth. Only a stupid king will give such an order.
Sorry, my prince.
He said I shouldn't leave this vicinity, right?
Exactly, my prince.
Open the gate.
Please. Punishment. The prince, the king. You should have helped me to stop him now. Igwe.
Ezemo, that boy is at it again. That boy is back to his vomit. The prince is busy throwing tantrums, beating and hitting, constituting nuisance to everybody within my compound. I can't fix why the boy is this hostile. I want to let you know this. That boy used to be the best amongst his peers, and all of a sudden, this character, man, where have I erred? Speak! What is happening to my son?
Stop!
Please, send me all this traditional jargon and go ahead and talk to me. Tell me what I want to hear. You are asking my patience.
Your Highness, I had to shoot the lemon or do. Like I told you before, somebody is responsible for your son's misdeeds.
Then talk to me.
Ogakara gadili mendo sogwi. Makai gave me digital for harmful Indian and man so tere. Ogara okay adili mendo sogwi. Nana me on sakuli mendo ogara okay. Delano.
Like I said.
Makandele me o setere.
Like I said, stop this traditional jargon. Who is this person? Who is this person? Let me send the person to afterlife immediately. It does not matter whose name shall be announced or whose blood shall be sprinkled. I do not give 2 cares about it. Talk to me.
Your Highness, Mwana jogule go bodi yoge. Titofuya already mendo gara okia. Nabamonte, the gods have not revealed anything like that to me. But soonest I will be able to point to the person. I will point the person to you for you to know the person that is responsible for your son's misdeeds. My advice to you is to be patient.
You speak about patience so
Be
much.
patient. No, no, I have to choose the one do. I got okay, we're ready to mend the tofu. I could have put only an walk over the 20 amount window when I go with Lapu.
Serve me this.
Omen we hoji.
Serve!
Ogakara.
Ezemo.
Obumbuwa.
Are you aware that my son, the prince of this kingdom, is due to be crowned the prince soon? Now tell me, how do you expect my chiefs? How do you expect my people to crown such a boy with queer character as the prince of this kingdom? Is it possible? That boy used to be the best amongst his peers. I don't care to know whose name is going to be announced. Speak as the more.
Ha! Uranso Okija. Ogakara. Ogugwe ba agwa mo na apo jito ofu ya dele bendo so okwe mana ahia do chudele nwere your highness. Be patient. Obu oke mmụọ na-ekwu mmụọ. Oke moto mebiri emebi. Ana arụ ya engine ona ada afọ. Ona ada afọ ala arụ ya ga boss jito ofu ya dị. Maka na eme yo staff n'ime ndị Ogakara. Never da. Obu oke mmụọ na-ekwu. If you can listen to me, listen to me. Hear what I've just told you. To be patient. Docha Ogaroka gadili mende ozi na abo. Ayi je mo sa kwuru ime ndị osetere maka na eme nwa ahụ Ogaroka ti jito okwu were dị. Ko we pa ofati lo nu. Ogaroka ọ bụ mu na ekwu.
Ego de ne bu mo na wo buru mi na lo. Ego de ne ba ni. Agata ga mo na wo buru mi na
I came to say thank you for saving my sister's life, who I brought in some months ago.
Your sister's life?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't remember.
I know, since it has been long. I just came to say thank you. The flower you gave to me really worked. So I brought this to say thank you to you.
The creator of flowers is the one that deserves all these gifts and praises.
You are right. But I just want to give you this little token to say thank you. You deserve care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We can't recognize who this new audience are.
Who's there?
Guy, where have you been, Celestine?
My guy. One of my guys gave me a short ode and I played it. Guy, this game was enter.
Haven't you been warned by the queen to stop playing bets, Mr. Shobe?
Wait, is that why you are talking to me as if you are my father? Guy, respect yourself in this palace. Why you not go?
As far as this palace is concerned, you are under me. And I'll make sure I report you to the king.
I'm under you.
Yes.
Palace guard. Go and report me to the king. No. Go and report me to the king. As you are making that move.
Me, thunder will strike me. You will see what I will do to you.
See, if you report me to the king and the king sacks me, I swear I'm going to reward you with elephantism.
Celestine, be warned. If you are not careful in this palace, I will make sure I deal with you.
See, come walk here. Come walk here. Make it useless. Pack it useless. Huh?
Yeah? Let me have the car keys. Give me the car keys.
My prince.
Give me the car keys.
My prince.
Give me the car keys now.
My car.
Yeah, Bamu. Give me the car key.
My prince, I have an appointment and I have to be on the move.
What are you calling me?
My prince.
Good. That means immune covers me. Can I have the car key?
My prince. No, my Jesus Christ. Give it to me. My prince. No. My prince, don't do this. You have lot of cars in the palace. Jesus. Momo, you want to kill me? You want to take this, please, my prince. My prince. Jesus, my hand. What is this? Why will you do this kind of thing? What kind of evil man are you? No. I won't take this lightly with you. I will report this case to the police. That will not. What kind of. You! I must report this thing to the police. Nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? What nonsense is this?
He's leaving my house. He is leaving my house. As a matter of fact, I am going to tell the guards to take his belongings off my palace and not to come back here again. Huh? I don't want to have a son that will constantly cause me pain. It is wrong. It's an anathema. This decision is final.
But father...
Don't try to intercede on his behalf. My decision is final. He's leaving my palace.
Mom, are you going to listen to father? That he wants to throw your only son out of the palace. Mom!
What do you want me to say and what do you want me to do? What have I not done in order to make sure your brother changes? What have I not done in order to make sure he comes back to his senses? But he refused. Right now and right here, I am with your father. Whatever decision he makes, I stand by him. Your brother has changed to something I don't know, to someone I don't know. He is no longer the son I know. So I can no longer tolerate him. Hear that?
This is wrong, Mom. This is wrong. He is your son, Dad. How could you just decide to throw him out of the palace just like that? No matter what. You can't just give up on your son just like that. No, I am not in support of this. And I can never be.
As the king of this kingdom, or what? You may wish to leave my presence.
Mom! Are you serious? But I'm not in support of it. And that won't happen.
We're going to lose him. 'Cause the rage and the hate has taken over.
Thank God we are at home. I'm hungry. They got me angry at the palace, but I'm glad I taught that idiot a lesson he will never forget.
I am pregnant.
I'm hungry. Get me something to eat.
Didn't you hear what I just said? I said I am pregnant.
And I said someone got me angry. Can I have something to eat?
How is that my business?
What nonsense are you talking about?
I am pregnant, Dozie, and the baby is yours.
Are you sick? That we are having sex does not give you the right to keep my child. Like, I don't get it.
Are you for real?
Yes.
When you were doing it, it was sweeting, you didn't know?
Doing it is not a visa to keeping pregnancy.
Story. I am pregnant!
Are you sick?
Are you for real now?
How can you be pregnant without my consent?
Dozie, calm down.
Did you ask me whether I'm ready for the baby? Did you ask me whether I'm ready? No! Who wants to be pregnant? Listen, I'm ready.
Somebody help me! Dozie, you killed me, the baby!
No, lose the baby. No, lose the baby. Lose the baby. Lose it. Idiot. That we're having sex does not give you the right to be pregnant without my consent. I'm not fair. I'm not fair. You're pregnant. Pregnant, that will be there.
What is the model of the car?
It's a Toyota Camry, my king.
Toyota Camry. And you said the prince of this kingdom took your car from you.
He did not only take my car from me, he slapped me, pushed me on the floor, and was matching me as if I was a footmat. Look at my hand, my king.
I'm sorry. But did you report the matter to the police?
Yes, I did.
That's nice. I'm sorry for whatever the prince of this kingdom did to you. Please, I will locate the car wherever it is, and I'll take care of all the damages. But all the same, I'm sorry. Okay?
Yes, my king.
My dear, please, we are sorry for what happened. Like His Majesty said, be rest assured that your car will be brought back to you. Just calm down, okay?
Okay, my queen. Thank you so much. But, my king, my queen, if I may ask, what is really wrong with the prince? Because the enormity of anger I saw on his face was alarming. It was disturbing.
This is strange. We're afraid we're going to lose him. 'Cause the rage.
Listen, you should take it easy on yourself with the smoking.
This is township. Don't go around advising people.
I care. What I'm talking about is that you've been smoking for the whole day. I mean, take it easy with yourself. You're killing your kidney.
I said this is township. You don't advise people.
Listen. I know you're having issue with your parents, but you're not the only one having issues with your parents, okay? Parents will always annoy you. They are like that.
Listen, just shut up. Let me say something important. I'm coming from that idiot's house. She said I got her pregnant. Tonya said to my face that I'm responsible for her pregnancy. Can you imagine?
Wait, Sonia is pregnant?
Yes. I told her, the next time she says such nonsense to my face, I swear, I will change her for her.
And you don't think you're responsible for that pregnancy?
How can I be responsible? I carry belly.
Come on, guy. Sonia and your babe now. What are you even saying?
Does that give her the right to be pregnant without my consent?
We should be pregnant if you didn't put in there.
Putting it there is not a license or visa to pregnancy. Don't get me angry. In fact, change topic. Change topic. I'm saying something and you're talking nonsense.
I don't know why you're so happy.
Is that how you've been impregnating people? More than get to how many have you got impregnated? In fact, don't talk to me again. What's your problem? Are you mad? I'm telling you that someone just got me angry. You're adding salt to my injury.
This is strange. We're afraid we're going to lose him.
Mom, how heartless can you be to watch your son belongings being thrown out of the palace? Do you realize that he is the heir to the throne? Your only son, your pride.
Please, do not make this harder for me. This decision must stand because we've done everything possible in order to make sure your brother comes back to his senses. But no, I can no longer tolerate him.
Hey, that is the reason I took side with your father's decision.
Is that why you just give up on him like that? Like some song on the streets? Is that how your parents give up on you, Mom? Is that how they give up on you?
I did not give up on him. And if you must know, my siblings and I, when we were growing up, we were our parents' happiness and joy. We never broke their hearts for once. But what have your brother been doing all this while? He has been breaking up our hearts. Heartbreaks upon heartbreaks. What do you want me to do? I have to take sides with your father. Let him go. That is the only reason, the only thing that will make him come back to his senses. Because we can no longer tolerate him. I can't tolerate his excesses. Have you not seen what he has been doing? Bringing dishonor and shame to this palace. Who does that?
Mom, there are parents who have worse children than those ye. But they never threw their son away. They did not give up on your son. They did not abandon your son. But in your own case, you didn't. Why?
Enough! Enough! Have you said enough? When you get married and have your own kids, you can treat them the way you want. You can bring them up and train them the way you want. As for me, this decision stands. And please, do not disturb me again. I've had a bad day already. One no more word.
Yes, my prince.
Thanks for bringing me out of the police station. I really appreciate it.
Well, my prince, the pleasure is mine. But prince, it would have been a shameful thing that you are in the police custody and have a night in the cell.
Yeah, no, but that's what my father wants.
No. Your father wants the best for you.
I know that, man. He's wicked and heartless. He's mean. He doesn't want the best for me.
My prince.
Oh, my prince, me. Let's not change topic. Let's not talk about my father, please. Change topic. Huh?
What are you talking about?
Oh, no, in fact, pack.
I should pack?
Okay. Pack this car by front. I should pack. Why are you making me repeat myself? I hate repeating myself. Pack the car off it. What is the change topic? You're not crazy.
This is strange. We're afraid we're going to lose him. 'Cause the rage and the hate has taken over. Who is this? We can't recognize who this new one is. He is not who he used to be, not who he used to be. We hope for change. Oh, let the heavens heal him.
Okay, here we go. So, here, you carry it with care. Yes, this is lavender flower. When you get home, please help me place it close to where your wife sleeps. It will help her calm down. It will ease off all the stress and it will calm down her nerves. With the aroma of this lavender, she can sleep just like a baby. And very soon, you will start seeing flowers everywhere.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's alright.
I was directed by a friend. And he's just giving testimony about how your flower healed his sick child, So, and I believe my own will be like that.
Of course. Always remember, whatever you believe, works for you. So may this work for you.
Amen.
Just as your faith.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay, please say me hi to your wife.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll be waiting for your testimony.
Alright, see you later.
Alright, greet your wife.
Who's there?
It's your father. My friend, open this gate.
I'm sorry, my prince. The king instructed us not to open the gate for you, sir.
Only a foolish king will give such an order. How can you deny me entrance into the palace? I belong here, so what is his problem? Open this gate!
I'm sorry, my prince. Maybe you should call him on the phone to confirm.
You're very, very stupid. You're a fool. I wish I can see you. Anofia. Open this gate! Open this gate! Open this gate!
Hey!
Igwe! Open this gate!
Igwe! The wall is shaking now! Igwe! Guards!
Hello, officer. Yes. I want you in my palace immediately. There is this intruder, one disgruntled element that is disturbing the peace of my kingdom and my people. Yes, just come with your team. Come with your men immediately to get him arrested. He's really disturbing my peace. Okay?
Your Majesty, maybe we should allow him in. Then we'll trap him until the police comes.
So what do you want to achieve? To get me angry? That boy will never step into my house again. I do not want to behold his face again. I will deal with him decisively. See that madness in him? That madness in him, I will cure it today.
The noise is too much.
Can you imagine that? What man in his right senses will be behaving like an animal in the zoo? I'm going to deal with that boy decisively. I will deal with him. This is getting to this place.
Hello? What is happening here? What are you looking for?
Calm down, young lady. We are not here for you. We are looking for a young man that ran towards this direction. Did you see him?
I did not see anyone. Please leave my garden.
Sorry, young lady, just calm down. We are looking for his store. He's on a royal attire. Did you see him run towards this direction?
I said leave my garden. You're disturbing the peace and the health of my flowers. And if they panic, they will wither and die. Please leave. They're already saying that they are upset. Can you leave my garden, please?
Just calm down. In case you see anyone that matches that description, his store is in a royal attire. His store, just
please leave.
Please do not hesitate to
leave my garden. Leave. I'm sorry. Please don't panic. I'm sorry.
Yeah. The
prince practically ordered me out of my car, commandeered it, drove away, and left me stranded in the middle of the road. I had to trek all that way to this palace.
So, why are you crying foul now? I thought you are the one encouraging and supporting his excesses.
I was only treating him like a son. I have to love him. Yes. But he has degenerated to something else.
So, what do you want us to do now? To clip his wings? And when I was lamenting and shouting on this before, you were busy glorifying his excesses. And you want his wings to be clipped now because you are involved.
Not only clipping, we have to defeather him. We have to find a cage and put him in there and lock him forever. Yeah, so that there will be peace and order in this kingdom. We have to stop him.
Well, that's by the way. You don't really have to worry your guts about that. The police are already after him. Soon and very soon, they will get him arrested.
You know, sometimes I wonder where he has gotten this moronic attitude from. Is it from you?
Watch your words. You're talking to your king.
I have the money. Money talks. Yeah.
Which can wahala be this one? Which can problem be this one? Eh? Since this week I have not win anything, not even a single sleep. Even this small one now, this small chicken, small one. Why you use Liverpool play? Now Liverpool don't put me to play. My last month salary almost don't finish. Still nothing come out. Even the small money why they say make I use money no. I don't took hand inside that money. Bam.
What's going on? Celeste, what is it?
No, I'm not sad.
But I saw you moody before walking up to you. What is it?
I'm okay. I'm fine. It's just that I'm tired. I'm just tired. It's just I don't know. You could do me like say I don't carry belly.
You're not normal.
You see, I've succeeded. I wanted to see those smiles on your face. Hey, I'm just tired. I wanted to wash my clothes, man. I can't do it. I will leave it to work.
I don't worry. Bring them. I'll help you to wash them.
Wait, you will wash my clothes for me?
Yes, now I'll help you to wash your clothes.
No. See, for saying this thing, tonight you shall be with me in my paradise.
It's okay.
Let me go bring them. Thank you, all my clothes.
Yes.
Will you also help me and wash my hair?
So you can't be your clothes.
No. Thank you. Mama.
What are you doing?
I'm paying Celestine's worship now. You cannot see.
Who is Celestine?
The gate man, of course. Abi, is there any other one?
Wait, Nora, what is wrong with you? Why are you washing clothes for an ordinary gate man?
Hey, ordinary. Are we not ordinary too? Abi, your papa get money?
I know I'm from a poor background, but I'll certainly not mingle and associate with people from my class.
Hey.
What can you possibly gain from that poor man?
I hope to get nothing from him. Yeah? I'm just helping him to wash his clothes.
Now, one for you, Nora. You too do. I'm so disappointed in you.
Now, wow! Some people too do. Why won't you be disappointed in her? After finding out that she's not as wicked and callous as you are.
Who is this one and who is talking to you? I beg Zuzu out.
You Zuzu in!
It's okay, don't mind her. Just like manner every time.
Exactly.
Nosing.
Mannerless.
You very.
You see why you are different in this palace? Eh? I mean, forget about her. I don't want her to spoil our mood. See, let me sing for you while you'll be washing these clothes. So I don't want to go local. Let me leave Nigeria. All these Nigerian artists that don't know how to sing love music. Let me go international. Have you heard about moonwalk? You know moonwalk?
Yes.
I will dance moonwalk for you now. Let's go. Speechless, 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 speechless. That's how you make me available. When I'm with you, I'm somewhere else. Nothing is for you. I'm a say, mama, son, mama, I'm a say, okay. Which one of you would black? I'm a say, son, mama, no, I'm not enjoying myself. Speechless, so you make me available. When I'm with you, I'm somewhere else. Nothing is for you. Nyakam, speechless, nyakam, speechless. Be not in your head now. This song is not sweet. It's sweet. That's how you make me nyakam. When I'm with you, I'm organic.
Jesus! Who are you? I said, who are you?
Calm down.
What is calm down?
Calm down.
Wait, you're the thief?
No, me too. How?
Police was looking for you.
No.
Police!
No! I'm not a thief. I am not a thief. Stop!
I'm so sorry. I thank God for your life. I'm so sorry.
My head hurts. My head hurts so bad. You need to see what happened today. Oh God, you need to see.
The doctor said the pains will subside by morning. But let me quickly prepare something so you eat and take your drugs, okay?
Maka, thank you so much for saving my life today. Thank you for coming to the house when you did. I wonder what would have become of me if you didn't come on time. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's fine.
Thank you.
But come to think of it, do you say Prince did this to you? I mean Prince Dozie.
My dear, I told him I was pregnant and he got angry. The next thing he bounced on me and started hitting me. My tummy everywhere hurts.
But you see why I warn you against that monster? He's no one's friend, for Christ's sake. I hate that idiot so much. But I'm glad you lost the baby.
Stop.
At least you don't have a seed of a monster growing inside of you. Can't you get it?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's love. Oh. It's love.
It's okay. Let me get you something. Okay?
I am just coming back from the police station. And your son was not arrested. Guess what? He outrun the police. And since then, he's been missing up till now. Nobody knows where he is.
Ivy, is it possible you sit down and join us and enjoy this meal? Is it possible?
Dad, did you hear me? I said your son is missing.
If it is not possible for you to sit and enjoy this meal with us, is it possible for you to get inside your room and glue your body to your bed. Have a good sleep while I eat this meal. Is it possible? Is it?
Mom, are you going to sit there and listen without saying a word? Huh? Great. Wow. Let me help you people. Parents of the year.
My queen, is everything all right? Why are you still awake?
I told myself before now that I will not be worried about him. But it's not working out. Because right now, I'm so worried about my son.
And you think I am not disturbed either? He is equally my son. And I've done everything humanly possible to find out why he is of this bad behavior. And the reply I kept on getting from him is much of profanity that I cannot even tolerate as a father. What else you want me to do? I cannot die for a son because I have decided to toe a lane that is destructive. I won't die because of him. But you can continue like this if you have a plausible idea of how we are going to solve his problem. If not, please go to bed. I want to go and sleep now.
Your Majesty, is our son we are talking about here. Our only son, the heir apparent to your throne. How can I sleep when he is not here and I don't know his whereabouts? How do I sleep? I can't sleep.
Actually tasking my patience. If you want to remain awake, go ahead. But for me, I'm going to bed. I don't have to kill myself because of a son that did not want to change. I don't have this luxury of patience anymore.
How do I go about it? How can I sleep?
I'm sleeping.
Don't knock. The big gate for you. The big gate. Hey! The name of the Amole. Let Jesus be with you. Let Jesus be with you. Yes.
Baba mi ani si. Iti do fu ewure bi. O se tera di do di na mo. Mo ga no ka. Maka nde na me go sa. Oya. Kire wo. Sai mo lu go na do. Your Highness, you sent for me.
How much do you want me to pay you to tell me who is responsible for my son's misbehavior?
Ogugwi ba gwa mo na pop. Ayaku dana. Abu mo. The king will be corrected whenever he blasphemes. Your Highness, Ezekudele, we never accept any price or any form of payment for the jobs he does for the gods. I
am sorry. Apologies, Ezekwo. But you know that my heart is troubled. My heart is filled with pains. As the more I am gradually losing my son. My son is gradually yielding to decay, total decay. Talk to me as a more. Who is responsible for my son's misbehavior? Because I can't take it any longer. Tell me! Let me send the person to the life after.
Your Highness, as a more, was a kudele, mona pop, dobaro guibagua. We never conceal any truth from you. Bear it in mind that whenever or whatever I hear about your son, you will be the first person to hear about it. And I still maintain that you will be patient.
You speak about patience always. For how long? For how long will I be patient to see my son dwindling to this extent? Talk to me as a more.
You must be patient.
I believe you. Yes. I'm sorry.
Good.
Make sure.
Heard me.
Make sure the gods reveal this on time before your king loses life.
They will do that. They will. They know what their son is going through.
One bullet, salute for the girl. One bullet, salute for the girl. Come, for the side of the girl. The side of the girl. Now you get this one. Now come out to the letter. Hey! Come on now, buddy. Hey!
Tosi, what is the problem with you? What has gotten over you? What has taken away your peace? Who created this monster in you? I don't understand where you get all this bad attitude from. Now, Mom, Dad has given up on you.
We're afraid we're going to lose.
My babies, it rained cat and dog last night with so much heavy wind. My heart was so broken. I was very concerned about you all. I prayed to my G to keep and protect you, my babies. And I'm happy to see you're fresh this morning. So tell me, how was your night? Are you serious?
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Princess Ivy. I was told by the policeman that my brother ran into Grammy yesterday while they were looking for him and he escaped from them. Please, did you see him?
I've already told the police. I did not see him.
Why do I feel like you're lying to me? Did you see my brother? Did he speak to you? He's the only sibling that I have. Do not lie to me, please. Tell me, did you see him?
Yes, I saw him. He hid in my garden. I tried to have a conversation with him. He tried to strangle me and ran off. No, he's not here.
Father, how dare him? You mean that guy took away your car? Is anything wrong with that boy or something?
Calm down, my son. You know his condition. I have forgiven him. Please.
Father, he doesn't have any condition. He's just a junkie of a prince who smokes like a fiend.
Bam. He's got anger problem. And he has to manage the anger. You understand? We have to help him. Please.
Father, I'm temperamental as well. If he wants to be mad, he should use his father's properties to practice his madness and not your property. Father, where's the car now?
My son, the good news is that the police recovered the car after he's being arrested.
Thank you so much, officer. Thank you. Just have your eagle eyes fixed on him. Thank you.
What news?
I just hung up from the police now. I called the police station. The DPO told me that he has been arrested. Right now, he's in the police custody.
I'm relieved. Thank God. Thank God for his life.
And as I speak, Onowu is on his way to the station to reclaim his car.
Thank the gods.
Like you came.
I've been worried about his life.
Like you came.
How dare you, Ivy? How dare you talk to me like that? Have you forgotten I'm your mother? And he is my son. Who said I don't care? I'm only against his bad behavior.
You're only against his bad behavior. And you let him go in that directions. You couldn't guide him properly, Mom.
Just listen to yourself. Your brother, is he not old enough? He's a grown man and can take care of it. He's capable of making his decision.
But he's still your child, Mom. No matter his age. He deserves your protection at all times. But you couldn't give any.
Excuse me.
Are you not tired of listening to your daughter? Can't you ignore her for once? She's acting her age. What does she know? Huh? What does she know?
I can't just wait for her to have her own kids.
Sonia, I've heard what happened. I'm disappointed that Doze could treat you that way. I mean, look at you. I can't believe that he can do such thing to you. I'm really sorry about that. He told me that you're with his child.
I've lost the child.
I don't understand. You got rid of the baby or what?
Doze beats the hell out of me. He hits me multiple times on my belly. I lost a lot of blood. A lot of blood. And the baby, I lost the baby from there. I lost my child.
I'm so sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay. I don't know what is wrong with him. I wish I know what his problem is. Even me, I've started avoiding him just of recent because of his attitude and behavior. He doesn't have any right to attack you like he did. I'm sorry. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you for coming.
What are you doing here?
Ali, calm down now. You just walked in. I was just having a conversation.
Please get out! Leave! Maka, he's here to see me. Calm down, okay? Get out! Out! Alright. See now. Yeah, take care. Thank you.
What is wrong with you?
That was very disrespectful, Amaka. Why would you send him away like that? Why would you do such a thing? He's the reason you are in this condition. If he had removed his friend, the prince, from your life, this wouldn't have happened. Listen, you are not the one to tell me who to be with or who not to be with. Do you understand? This is just a note of warning to you. Well, this is the product of your decision. You should stay away from that mad prince and anything concerning him. He has nothing to offer than pain. Can't you see it? Listen, I didn't just like the way you spoke to Amobi today. And please, don't do that next time. Because he's still my friend. And I need him now more than ever. Why, if I may ask? Because he's going to help me destroy the prince for what he did to me.
Face like this. Hey, my feet first.
Just let me be. I'm disappointed in you.
No. So let's see, what have you done? You're disappointed in me.
Yes.
Does it mean I'm responsible for your anger? What happened?
See, I saw coupons at your trouser pocket the time I was washing your clothes. Tickets from betting. So that's what you have been lavishing your money on, meaningless things, Abi?
No. It's not like that. I was just looking for more money.
More money?
Yes.
Don't you know that thing has rendered a lot of people useless? Eh?
See, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. If I do it again, if you see me near betting coupon again, make a naked bath. Make a naked bath for you for once.
See, I'm not joking.
Okay, I promise you it won't happen again. No.
You know nothing stop me from pretending like I did not see that ticket or minding my business. But just because I care about you. And you can't continue being a gate man show. Beautiful age.
I know about that. What about Belemo?
That is why you ought to stop all these betting things.
No, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I promise you it won't happen again. I won't play any bet again. Even if say I want to play, you just be have. I will not play again. I will not play again. I'm sorry. Yeah. No. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. So you are forgiving me at least. I will use this one to hold on. Give me. My eyes are closed. Come in. Hey. Jesus. Sit down. Watch me. Sit down.
My queen, the princess has refused to touch her food since morning. She has been in her room and refused to come out.
Did you knock on her door?
Yes, I did that several times, but she refused to open up.
It's okay. I'll take it up from here. You can go.
Thank you, my queen.
This must belong to that princess. Good afternoon. Please, is the princess around? Can you tell her the flower girl is here to see her?
Flower girl?
Yes.
The princess is around, but she's not disposed to see anybody right now.
Please, it's really, really urgent. Just tell her that I'm here.
Yeah, flower girl. If it is as important as you claim, tell me why you want to see the princess. I have to know first.
I found a wristwatch at my garden. I believe it belongs to the prince. So I returned it to him.
Let me see the wristwatch first. Bring it out.
Okay.
I think you can just pick a wristwatch from anywhere. You want to dash it to them. You want to come and give it to the princess. Eh? We have so many watches here.
My king, he ran into my garden while the police was chasing him. That is how we met.
And you harbored him?
No, my king. I didn't harbor him. Because he didn't spend much time. He was trying to, hide. Then when I saw him, I tried to call the police. He tried to strangle me. If I could know, he ran off. So when I was clearing my garden, I found this wristwatch.
You have done well. Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Thank you.
My dear, I'm so grateful for what you did. You mentioned your garden. Do you have a garden?
Yes, my queen. I own a garden. My name is Diana. I'm a horticulturist. But people call me the flower girl.
Oh, that sounds good. I think I like that name, Flower Girl.
Diana,
Yes, my princess.
you said you can help my brother?
Yes, my princess. With the help of my flowers, I can help your brother.
Your flowers?
Yes, my
You know-
flowers.
You know you don't have to joke because it's not necessary. Considering the pains that my parents and I have been going through because of him.
Jokes? Who is joking here? And who jokes with a sensitive matter like this? I'm not joking, my princess. That makes me inhuman.
Do you know how many therapists that we have brought for him? But they all failed. So how am I sure that you can help him?
Do you know you need your brother to be helped?
Yes.
I believe you know where to find me. I'll take my leave, my princess. Excuse me.
We want to know if there is a way we can save him.
Listen, our king is in pain. He's having sleepless nights. Please, is there any way or anything you can do to put a smile on his face once again?
We all know our king to be of pure royal blood. A good man doesn't deserve this terrible son that he has.
As a more. Or more. We didn't know or Jenna more. The eye of the gods and the mouthpiece of the gods. Our son, our prince, has been a very, very good boy. We all loved him. We have fun with him. But all of a sudden, like a twist, he changed. Is there what we can do to bring him back?
Nkiri ka na-ekiri odeji odeli ozu. Ọmụmụ egwu ngwu mma na-adịrị ya nkọ. Ụfọdụ ka dị na-eme ogiri, ụfọdụ ka ogiri na-eme onwe. Eje ala akara nke ebukwala unu eso. My people, listen and listen good. I've addressed this issue with the king before. And I told him to exercise patience. The gods are aware of what he's passing through.
Hey, eyes of the gods. Our king is pain. He's passing through a lot already. He asks us to come and beg on his behalf to see if there's anything you can do to save his son.
Anụrụ m ihe kwuru mana ajụla abụ eji ugbu a ka eji kpọọ ọnụma bụ onye mụtara nwa ogoro nga egogoro ụda eji ike dị ya bụ oke ibiri gbachiwo dị elu ụzọ ihe chere dị elu ụzọ ya were ya. Let me tell you one thing now. If there is anything within my powers that I can do for this boy, I would have done it. The gods keep silent. I've worried them, console them, but see, they still can show patience. So there's nothing I can do within my reach. Makana na wechi aja afu udira mani ihe mere be mo. E mere nwa yi jite ofu do so ogbu. Ogara ọkụ ya nwere dị n'ime ndị jite ofu. Mana ga-eme odi na agwa ọhụrụ ime osete.
What if there's a chance for him to be saved by the flower girl?
Did you listen to yourself? What if the flower girl? You just called her a flower girl. Huh? And you think a Mayflower girl can fix this stupidity in your brother for a very long time?
I wonder.
That's a dry joke.
Honestly, I'm surprised at what you said. Eh? Your brother has visited many therapists in the past. So what impact do you think a Mayflower girl will make in his life?
Mother, Father, I am not sure if she can help him, but what if there's a chance she can and we're waving it aside because we all have tried? What if?
You love this your brother so much. I love him too. No matter what happens, the prince remains inside the cell.
No, Father.
Huh?
Please.
I wouldn't give him the opportunity to hurt the next person in my kingdom, in my palace.
Father.
It's not possible. Look at, with all the demons controlling him, can't you read in between the lines?
Father, please. I want to take responsibility for his actions when he gets out. I promise he will be under my control and I will make sure he doesn't hurt anybody. See, I know you all have given up on him, but I have not given up on my brother. Allow me to help my brother. Let me help him out of his condition. I'm very sure he will be better again. Please. Father, please. Let me help him. I promise you. Mom. Mom.
Yes. When? Oh, today? Good news. Okay. Thank you. Hey! It's unbelievable.
Father, what is it?
I just got off the phone with the king. The prince has been released.
I'm sure you agree with me that your plan has yet again failed.
But it's of no good use to his father, nor the subjects.
Let me guess. You still want to come up with another plan, huh?
I am bereft of ideas.
So, Father, let me handle this, or do you want to continue wasting your time?
I am bereft of ideas.
This is strange. We're afraid we're going to lose him. 'Cause the rage and the hate has taken.
Look up, sir. They asked you to greet me. Kneel down there. Kneel down there. They asked you to greet me. I said kneel down.
Brother, calm down. Don't get up. Brother,
Before
calm
you greet me, study my mood. I don't need your useless greeting.
Brother, you just got home.
You will remain there till night.
Brother, you just got in. Can you just calm down?
Where are my belongings?
I've returned them to your room. Look. Mom and Dad were nothing in support of me getting you out of the police station. I had to convince them. And which means that from henceforth, every action of yours, I am responsible for it. Please, can you change from your bad character? Because this whole thing is robbing off your inheritance and mother's love.
I don't need their love. I don't even care about my inheritance. They don't love me. They never loved me, so they can't start now.
That's not true. They do. They care about you.
Adam Wake Benanka.
Bratosi, can you calm down? Your parents love you. Please.
You know what? I'm tired of this conversation. Change topic.
But they care. I hope you know.
I said they don't care about me. Change the topic.
Are you screaming at me?
I will slap you. Are you sick?
Bratosi.
I choose what I discuss. Change the topic. It's an order.
My prince, I get romanticism.
I'm not there tonight.
I have romanticism.
This is strangers. We're afraid we're going to lose him. Wake up with the sunrise. My heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete.
My queen, I knocked and told him that the food is ready, but he didn't say a word.
Are you sure he's okay?
I was hearing him making a call.
It's okay, you can go.
Why are you sounding like
It's okay. It's okay, you can go.
Okay, my queen.
He should have come down to eat. Why is it that he didn't come down to eat? Is it that he don't want to eat or what?
But, like you care about him not coming down to eat or something. Do you care?
What's the problem? Is he not my son? Why wouldn't I care? He should not eat or what?
Anyway, it's fine. I will take his food to him. How do you even expect him to come sit on this same table to eat food with both of you after you all treated him very badly? How?
How did we treat him bad? How? Is he not the one that treated us bad?
Can I have
Where
this?
did we go wrong?
Can I have this meal in peace? What's the meaning of all this noise? Can I have this meal in peace for once? I said it.
So sorry.
Hey bro, I brought you breakfast.
Man shall not live by bread alone.
Come on, you haven't eaten since yesterday when you come back.
I will never eat from this palace again.
This is what pisses me off about you. You like to keep grudges. Come on, you are a prince. You should act like one.
I have banned you people from feeding me. If I'm hungry, I know where to get food. So get out of my way.
Do you think if everybody abandoned you, you'll be surviving?
Don't make me talk too much. I tell you, are you sick? Is this my woman? I said leave this for another place. I don't get lost. You all talk too much in this country. Simple something.
My princess, why are you here?
Diana, I need your help. It's about my brother.
Ogwugwu ibe agwa mmụọ na-apụ apụ. Tere wuo. Tere chawuo bụkwa ntụ ahụ. Your Highness, we are here to remind you that the time stipulated by the gods, according to our tradition, to crown the prince is fast coming to an end. And the prince is not ready. If the time elapses, I'm afraid he has to lose the opportunity of becoming the next king of this kingdom. I'm sorry about that.
Have you seen it? Did you hear yourself right? Hypocrites! Betrayers! That is what you all are! Oh! Your inordinate quest to dethrone me is already obvious. Oh, you want to succeed? You want to succeed this throne? Your Majesty, we cannot address us as such. We are here to... What a friend that will watch his own friend weep and gnat his teeth. I consulted all of you. I told you about my son's undoing. I told you about his recalcitrant attitude and the way he throws tantrums every day. You did nothing, but went ahead to plan how to bring my ruin. Destroying him the more, so that you will now present your own candidate to take the throne of this kingdom. You are wicked! And your evil machination can never succeed in my kingdom. Just quote me. You are wicked. Betrayers!
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear, my joy is so complete. My God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me and I listen. Makes me feel at peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete.
Gods of our ancestors, where have I gone wrong? What is my offense? Why would my own son from my own loins be a problem to me? He doesn't have respect for me. He doesn't have respect for the mother. All of a sudden, my son is a vampire. Who is doing this to me? Who is after my family? How come I no longer commands my son's complaint? He walks out of me at will. Hates me so much that he sees me as a vampire. Me! Gods of our ancestors, where did my heart, what?
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Somebody please help! Your Majesty! Hey! Guys! Square! Guys! Your Majesty! This way!
I'll be alright.
Asimu basinga bamawu na wanyi ngasiri muni wanyi sisere muni ejama wale mavo yafo asema kadaka wanyi gabu isi mawu mubu wakala bia mapo nuburi isi mawu kamawu bakalienu The world is filled with wickedness and greed. What the prince of your land is passing through is man-made. It's not of the gods.
The wise one, if this is man-made, who is responsible? Can the gods talk to us so that we can serve our prince, please?
Ezemo, our king is in a bad state right now, worrying about his son. We need to save that boy for him.
Pico, the mouthpiece of the gods. We came from afar to consult you. We need a solution to our predicament. Please, help us.
There is no solution. There is no solution. It's for the gods to decide the young man's fate.
So, doctor, what exactly is the problem with my husband?
He will be fine. Just that whatever that triggers such should be handled. People that experience this are either mentally or physically stressed. But in the king's case, I think it's an emotional stress. I don't know what got him so worried to the point of having a heart attack. It needs to be handled immediately, please, and let it not repeat itself again.
Doc, yes. You are sure you can handle this?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm going to do for my best.
Her name is Diana, the flower girl. I have heard stories of how she used her miraculous flowers to save souls, bring peace to homes. Please, Dad, I want to bring her to come and help my brother, the prince.
You are talking nonsense, Ivy. I do not wish to discuss anything concerning your brother in this house again. As far as I'm concerned, we have lost him. He is far gone. Do you know what he did? The other time I called him to help me when your father was at the point of death. He left. He didn't care whether your father lives or not. Can you just imagine? That boy is a monster. That is what he is. So I do not wish to have anything to do with him in this house. Never again anymore.
You won't be coming down, okay? Jeez.
Where is he now? Where is the boy?
He's not home, but I'm sure he'll be back home soon.
And you said this said flower girl is capable of helping his situation?
Yes, Dad, she is.
Your Majesty, you are not giving a thought to this nonsense. That boy is far gone. Yes, he has gone past the mere flower girl restoring him.
I almost lost my life worrying about this boy.
Which is the reason I don't want to have anything to do with him anymore. Because I don't want him to kill you for me. You're important to me. Forget about him.
Ivy,
Dad?
you said this flower girl is capable of helping him?
Yes, Dad.
Then let's give it the last shot. Thank you. The last chance.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
Mom. Thank you, Father.
My guy, considering what has been going on in this palace, I want you to tell me the truth, as your guy. How do you see me and Nora as a husband and wife? Talk to me.
Nora. Oh, Nora, the palace maid?
Exactly. See, I want to marry her. Yes, I want to marry Nora.
Celestine, have you gotten the work you told me about? I mean, the work that you have been searching for.
I'm not looking for any job. And besides, I am working. Why are you asking?
Believe me, see you, the king will sack you from this palace when he finds out everything that you have been doing in this palace.
It's a lie. The king will not even know. I will just go and marry my Nora. Who will tell the king? Who? But wait, why are you always attacking me in this palace? What is wrong with you? I'm not attacking you. No.
Alpha, please, can I mix up your charger? Mine is faulty.
Wait, okay. So you don't know how to greet. Look at you, you are so shameless. So he's just talking to ghosts, he's talking to nobody. You just come here and you're making use of your charger.
Please, who is this monkey? Who is this monkey, Pico?
If I slap you, I swear, if I slap you, you wake up in the morning.
Can you do anything? I beg sheep make I see road. Let's go and bring the charger.
No, they hold me. No, they hold me.
Leave that one.
Poor big fool. Ordinary charger you can't even afford. Eh? The other one when they talk mind your business. The charger where you get, now the one where you go put and go the hold and go touch him till you charge. And because of you, we keep buying fuel every day. Only your charger and transformer.
You're welcome, Diana. The flower girl, Mom. Meet my mom. I'm sure you've met her.
Of course.
Mom.
Your Majesty, greetings.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
I remember you very well. The girl that brought my son's golden wristwatch.
Right.
I remember. Flower girl. I can't forget that in a hurry.
Thank you so much. My pleasure meeting you again.
You're welcome to our palace. Can we go inside?
All right.
Okay, Mom. See you inside.
Make sure you serve her very well.
Okay. I will.
Thank you.
He's not answering his calls.
I guess I should have called before coming. I can wait for him.
I'm so sorry for the inconveniences.
It's okay.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you so much, my king.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Ivy, go and get something for her.
Oh, my king, that's so very kind of you. Thank you so much, my king. Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Now tell me, my daughter, what is this, the mystery behind this your magic flower? How did you come about the magic flower?
My king, there is no magic here. Thank you so much for asking me this question. You know, God created flowers, each with its uniqueness and potentials. Flowers are gifts to mankind. They are also blessings. My king, my queen, are you aware that flowers can hear? They can fade, and they can also breathe and communicate as well.
Communication as in, you mean they can talk and you can hear them?
Of course. Flowers talk. You know, they communicate to me all the time. They can also communicate to you. Yes, if you have a free mind, an open mind towards everything, the flowers can talk to you. And you will also respond to them. They are so lovely. Are you aware flowers can sing?
Eh?
Wow.
Sing.
Flowers can sing.
This is becoming interesting. For real?
Yes, my king. Flowers can be used for different purposes. Flowers can be used for healing. It can be used to mend broken hearts. Flowers can be used for mending broken hearts. Flowers can be used for casting out spell. You can use flowers for different purposes. They are so adorable. They are everything you want to have around you. Do you know that flower has a sleeping aid? The aromas will help you sleep at night. They can also be used to raise the dead. Yes, flower can be used in installing peace and tranquility.
My ears are filled up. Huh? What nonsense was that? Where did you say you met her?
At the gardens. Why did you ask, Mom?
I don't think she is okay upstairs. You see, something is wrong with her. How can she say that she is singing and communicating with flowers? Who does that? Didn't you just listen to the nonsense she was spewing in there?
Mom, she's alright. Haven't you heard about the horticulturists that communicate with the plants? Yes. She's not insane. Anybody who goes up there would testify she's fine. She's just communicating with flowers. Because that is her job. That's the nature of her job. That is her specialties, Mom.
So, you want me to believe that she is okay, that nothing is wrong with her?
Just relax. She's fine. The only person I am worried about now is Dozier. Because he's not even picking up his calls.
Forget about Dozier. You know his way. Eh? We are used to it. Please, send me that one.
Sorry to tell you this. Your fallopian tube has been damaged from the result of the kicks that he gave to you on your stomach.
Sorry, doctor, calm down. I didn't hear you clearly. Did you say my fallopian tube? I don't understand. What do you mean by that, please?
It means you are not going to be able to get pregnant for life again.
No!
I'm sorry.
No! No, doctor, I didn't... What? No! Oh my God! No! 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 Somebody help me! I'm finished! Doctor! Doctor! No! I can't take this, doctor! No! No!
Neither here. Also, close your eyes. Never greet me without my consent. Do you understand? Hands up. Look at your hair. Palace guard. You can't even... You'll be here for 7 days.
Brother, you're welcome. You have a guest. Her name is Diana. She's here to help you.
Help me?
Yes. Come meet her.
What help can she offer dressed like this?
Brother, calm down. Just at least, just meet her first.
You can talk without holding me. What's your name?
I'm Diana.
Nobody cares. Have we met before?
Yes.
Shit. It's not necessary. I'm not in the mood of seeing anybody.
Brother, just 2 minutes of your time. Just speak to her now.
Matagisi.
Brother.
I said I'm not in the mood of talking to anybody.
Are you sure you can help me, brother?
It went exactly as I expected. I know it's what he will do.
My dear, have you seen what we've been talking about? That has been our fears. But can you still help him in this stupid condition?
I can only help him if he is willing to be helped.
Come in. I guess you're in the wrong room, okay? If you're looking for my sister's room, it's the other way.
I'm actually in the right room. Yes, I came to say hi to you. Please, can I sit down?
Sit.
Thank you.
Whose idea is this? My busybody sister or my parents? Either ways, trust me, you're in the wrong room.
I should say that you're very lucky to have a family that, cares so much about you. I would like to tell you a story, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Okay, so there is this certain lady. She grew up with her family. The father is always very busy and very, carried away with his political position. The mother, she's a businesswoman, always busy with her business. She doesn't have time for the child. The siblings as well. Nobody has time for the child. The father is just focusing on his political ambition. And the mother, she's a businesswoman. She never had time for the child. The siblings, everybody's just too busy for the child. Without knowing that the child was being molested by the driver. The driver molested the child, raped the child countless times. But she couldn't tell anyone because nobody has her time. She kept on seeking for attention, but nobody gave her the attention she ever wanted. Eventually, the girl died. When she passed on, she dropped a message stating everything that she passed through that made her, go to her early grave. It was just too painful.
Well, I think that idiot driver should be buried upside down. Yes.
But is he the only one that is guilty?
Of course, the blood of the innocent girl is on his hands.
No, I disagree with you. He is not the only one that is guilty. The parents, the sibling, everybody around the girl.
Just because the parents were not observant enough does not give the driver the license to take advantage of the girl. But that's by the way. Why the pity story? What's my business with all this?
I'm telling you this story because I want you to understand that your family loves you so much. They care about you and they want the very best for you. That is exactly why I'm here, to help you get better. Because I know you're sick. Yes, you need a lot of help. You're very, very annoying, but I can manage.
Are you mad? What's wrong with you? Have you lost your sense of respect? Have you forgotten you're in my room? Watch your choice of words. Don't forget you're talking to a prince.
Prince? Really? But I don't see any prince. I only see a dog. Someone that is ready to kill and suck blood and do a lot of things just like those people on the street. That will be over your dead body. If you try to hit me, I promise you, you will regret this for the rest of your life.
Oh, yeah, get out. Get out. Just get out of this place.
It's alright.
Get. You're very, very stupid. Let's go and drink and come on.
You need bread?
No. Shut up, right there. Comes to the story driver. Who gives a fuck?
How did he go?
Fine. I have started with him.
Do you think you can save him?
My princess, you just have to calm down. We will take it one step at a time. There is no need rushing. All we need is results, right?
Yes. See, thank you so much. Thank you for all you do. Please do anything you can just to make sure that he's fine. See, you don't have to worry about anything. If it's money, you have no problem about it. I just want my brother to be normal again. Please, Diana.
It's alright, my princess. I will do my very best. With the help of my flowers, I know he will be fine. You just have to be patient and pray to our Chi. Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. I will have to be on my way. Right. Thank you, my princess.
Thank you.
Hey, His Majesty, a flower girl? Is this a joke or what?
My daughter believes strongly that the flower girl will be of immense help to my son.
And you believed her? I think what your son needs is a rehab.
On the contrary, no. Taking my son to the rehabilitation center will make my people not to have confidence in him as a successor to the throne of this kingdom.
So you think your subject haven't lost confidence in him already? Who in this kingdom haven't tested his madness?
Stop! Don't regard my son in that manner. Don't. That is too strong for my son.
Okay. My apology. Your Highness, tell me the polite way to explain his behavior. All I know is this: he needs a good doctor and a good therapist.
Hey, you won't believe this. I have invited several therapists and all of them failed me. All of them.
My king, that is the problem. In-house treatment is not good enough for him. He needs to check into the hospital for 24/7 monitoring and treatment. That is my take.
It's all right, but I think we should give the flower girl a chance.
It's a waste of money and time. Yes.
Why can't you say, just for once, say something positive about my son? Just once. Why are you to say negative about my son's situation?
It's okay. You can't cry yourself to death. Please. Amaka. So, I can't give birth to a child anymore.
Like, do you know what that means? I can't. Like, does it mean I'm useless? Like, I can't give birth to a child anymore. Why will God allow such a thing to happen to me? Why? Why me? Why?
It's okay.
Why me, God? Why me?
I think at this point, you should report that monster to his father and to the police so he can take full responsibility for what he has done to you. He needs to. He's going to deny me.
I know that monster. I know him. I know what he's capable of doing. He would deny me, Amaka. He would deny not having anything to do with me.
No, Sonia. He can't just go free.
Oh my God, I'm finished. I can't give birth to a child anymore. Does that make me useless now? Does that make me useless now?
He will pay so dearly. I just wish you listen to me when I asked you to just stay away. I just wish. I'm sorry.
stranger. We're afraid we're going to lose him.
Please, I don't think you should consider going there. Please. I think it's a bad idea.
I know
I asked you to come and help my brother.
I know he threatened you. He threatened you that he would deal with me, right?
How did you know?
Of course, he said the same thing to me.
But you told me everything was fine.
Of course, everything is fine. And I never wanted you to panic.
See, you still have to stop coming here because I'm scared for you. I don't want anything to happen to you, please.
Relax your mind, princess. Relax. There is nothing your brother is going to do to me. All I'm here to do is to make your brother feel well. He needs to be fine.
Diana, you don't understand. You don't understand. When my brother is angry, he can hurt anybody. Yes. And moreover, I thought you needed to place flowers on his bed and the flowers would do the magic. So what happened?
Firstly, your brother needs to accept that he needs change. He needs to change for the better. That is the only way my flowers will work for him. And that is why I'm here. He needs counseling. After that, my flowers can work for him.
I'm scared. I am scared.
You don't have to be scared. Everything is going to be fine. Where's your brother? Where is he?
He went out. He's not around.
So, can I go in and wait for him?
Are you sure?
Of course. Relax your mind.
My prince, I think you should consider going for a rehab instead of you wasting your time with that flower girl.
Why do you like getting on my nerves?
I'm sorry, but I'm only concerned about you.
Don't. Okay? I'm fine. I'm not going to continue with that flower girl. Neither am I traveling to abroad. I am fine. If you're not comfortable with it, fuck off.
I'm sorry.
Fuck off.
I'm sorry. That reminds me, I met Sonia the other day. She lost her pregnancy and she's currently in pain.
I don't care.
You don't care?
You heard me loud and clear. I don't care.
And what if she reports you to her parents or to your father?
She can report me to whoever she chooses. That's none of my business. She now belongs in my past. She's my ex. Ex means past. So whatever happens to her, whatever she's going through, shouldn't bother me. Capish?
You're back. You're welcome.
Is this a joke or what? What are you doing in my room without my consent?
I'm so happy to have you back. You know, I've been waiting for you for the past 2 hours. And I have 3 more hours to teach you on the new topic I have for you today.
Listen,
so please sit down.
No matter what, invading my privacy without my consent is a no-no for me. Get out.
Okay, I understand. But like I said, I have an interesting topic to lecture you on.
God knows you are one temptation I've been trying so hard to resist. Why are you pushing me?
Please, can you sit down so I can do my work?
You're making me talk too much and I hate repeating myself. I said, get out of this room. Are you deaf?
Continue resisting the urge. Sit down, let me teach you.
Leave this place.
Please sit down. You enjoy.
Don't worry, don't leave. I'm coming.
Father, he's not buying into the rehab bullshit.
Neither his father. I am disappointed.
Anyways, I have my boys ready to gun him down.
What? Are you out of your mind? On whose authority are you acting? Huh?
Come on, Father, I'm tired of waiting for you. You assured me that his death will launch me into the throne. So I want to take him out of the picture so I can look forward to the throne.
Amobi, if you hit the prince, the whole kingdom will know that I did it. Because I have the power to put anybody that I want on that throne. And if I dare install you, voila.
I'm sorry, Father, but it's already too late. I've ordered a hit on him.
Do you want to become the crown prince? Call it off now. I said now.
Yeah, listen. Flower girl or whatever you call yourself, the next time you try such nonsense again, you won't like what I will do to you. But wait, so who owns the car?
That's one of her cars.
One of her cars?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you said she's a flower girl.
Yes.
So how come flower girl own cars?
A rich lady who decided to make it her duty to save lost souls like you and retrieve souls like you. Do you even know how much I paid her just to come here and help you? Do you?
This is confusing. A flower girl is not supposed to be rich.
Maybe when you decide not to look down on people, then you will know that there are some people who are richer than you and still humble.
Are you sure she's a flower girl? Or is she a flower girl by day and a kidnapper at night?
Brother.
How much is flower garden?
Can you imagine? Because you're not humble, you're just a bully. You're a bully for a brother.
Listen, I see hot slap hovering around your head. Be careful.
That's all you know how to do. Beat, slap, bully. I don't think the flower girl is returning again.
Why would you say that?
Your son. He chased her with a cutlass. So I don't think she's returning.
He chased her away with a cutlass?
Yes.
Where is he now?
He left with anger. Mom, I don't think there's anything we can do to help Dozie anymore. Because the only chance he has is the flower girl. And now he has blown the chances. It is over.
Ha! Yes. Dozie. Ha!
It is over, Mom.
Chasing her with a cutlass. Hi!
Sonia, when did you get the report?
Yesterday. I've not been able to sleep. Dozie has destroyed me. Dozie has destroyed me. I'm now without a womb. Dozie has destroyed me. I'm finished.
But you know you caused it. I'm sorry, but to be honest, you did. I was forced to come to you, but you turned me down for the prince. Now, look at the result.
Really? I can't believe you're sounding like this at this time of my life. Eh? Where is your conscience and sympathy? Why are you sounding this way? How do you want me to feel? Oh, God.
Well, I'm so sorry about that. You know it's the truth, but the truth is always so painful. What I'm saying is that this wouldn't have happened if you had accepted my request. I'm sorry that you're going through all this shit all by yourself and without the prince showing any sign of remorse. I know how you feel and I'm deeply sorry.
It's obvious the prince has no soul left in him at all. Which is why I want you to help me and take him down. Yes. I want you to help me and destroy him.
What exactly are you doing here?
We were supposed to be at the palace today, but there was no sign of you. Why?
Yes, because I have decided to channel my energy on people that want to be saved, not someone who prefers to walk around damaged. I don't have such time.
As a flower girl, I thought you were supposed to be homely. You have so much pride in you. I don't take insults, so watch what you say to me, Makola. I see you are interested in me. Why don't you just come out plain and say it? Than using this your useless flower format to get to me.
How dare you? I will not have you or anyone come into my garden and insult me. I detest insults. Don't try it. This is the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
I love insults. Watch what you say.
Oh, you will do what? What are you going to do? No, I'm asking you. What exactly are you going to do? You're going to attack me in my own garden. You must be dreaming. You know what? Try it. I dare you. Try it and watch yourself regret it for the rest of your life.
Illegal. One hot slap now, whatever that is making you rant will disappear. Be careful.
Please get out. I can see you don't have anything important to do here. Get out, we want to sleep.
Who are the we? What do you mean by we?
I said get out. We want to have our siesta. We? Are you blind to see that I am referring to my flowers? Please leave. Get out of here and I'll pour you this water.
You wouldn't dare. If you try it in Bogeba.
Don't dare me. I am not afraid of you and I will never be scared of you. Did you hear me? Get out!
I think you're the one who needs therapy now. Look at the way you're sounding.
Anyway, I don't have time for demented people.
Who are the we?
My lovelies, don't worry. Some distractions want to distract us. I know you want to sleep, right? Don't mind some distraction. They cannot get us. Oh, wow. Oh.
Nora.
What's going on?
Nora.
What's going on here? Celesta, are we in trouble?
Yes. No. I know too sabi do this kind of thing. I am here with my kinsmen. Sorry, my friends.
I don't understand what's going on here.
Celeste, Go ahead. Go ahead. Sugar cream. Calm down. Be a man.
Okay. I beg. My friends don't tell me say you no go for my hand. I beg. I know that. Don't for my hand. I know to sabi do this kind of thing. I never done before. Now my first time with this. I beg.
What's happening?
I beg.
It's time to bring out the ring. Bring out the ring.
I don't understand.
I beg. This is me the scene now. My mama get her. I beg. My mama get this one. I beg. See, my friends, they tell me say you no go for my house. And I know say you no go for my house.
Yeah, I don't understand what's going on here.
I beg. If he enter you, later, me, I will buy you another one. I will buy you your own. Now my mama gave this one. After today, I go buy you another one. She will give me that. Well, marry me.
You can say no like him.
Congrats. Akugamo, will you marry me, baby? Will you marry me, baby? I want to know, baby. Hey!
See, my wife, I am going to tell the king. And after that, we are leaving this palace immediately. Sorry. See, my love is even shocking you.
I'll go anywhere you go. Yeah?
Chai. My love,
Thank
you so much for accepting to marry me. Thank you. And God bless you. Why are you laughing?
It's me. Say, God bless me. You're very funny.
Thank you.
That's why I love you.
Funny for you. I love you too. Hey, what are you doing here? Please go. We don't need your trouble. Please go. Let her go.
Betty, I'm not here to make trouble. I'm just here to apologize for the way I've been speaking to you and insulting you. I'm sorry, Celestine. I'm sorry. Truth is, I've always thought that you wanted to take advantage of me. I've always seen you as an unserious human being. And all the guys that I've been with never proposed to me. But look at you guys. You guys are so in love. Truly, money is not everything.
Come here. Thank you for saying this.
Latricia. I've forgiven you. Forget my bad mouth. You are a beautiful girl. And you're going to be an amazing woman, an amazing wife to your man.
I don't think so. So that I don't know how to cook. I'm always making terrible meals. Even the king is always complaining. Except I'll just learn from Nora, who is a better cook than I am.
No problem. You are going to learn from Nora. From Mrs. Nora Celeste. My wife.
I've started. I must still rub it on my face.
Mrs. Celeste.
Shake it, teach you. I yourself, I'm going to
Wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. My God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me
Yes, my son.
But there is a problem. The prince is so much interested in a particular flower girl.
The flower girl his father talked to me about. Are they dating each other or what?
No, father, they're not dating yet, but the prince seems very much attracted to her. I've been seeing him sneaking on her garden lately.
I do not see that girl as a threat to us.
Trust me, father, she does. I mean, the prince seems very much distracted. And I'm afraid, father, that she might end up timing him, which goes completely clear out of our plan.
Are you suggesting we destroy her?
Father, just give you instructions and see it come to pass.
Amobi, no. We have lots of blood in the palm of our hands. We cannot destroy her. All we have to do is sit back and watch as things unfold between both of them. You understand?
I'm sorry.
Sorry about what exactly?
For being harsh towards you and for refusing your attempt to help me. I'm sorry.
I see. So what exactly do you need from me?
Your forgiveness. I want us to start afresh, on a fresh note.
Oh wow. I have forgiven you long ago. Yes, but coming to the palace to teach you? I'm sorry, I don't have time for such. I have people I'm attending to.
I thought we were starting on a fresh note.
Yes, but like I said, I have a lot of customers I am attending to. And my babies, they need me. So I can't leave them. So coming to the palace to teach you, it's a no-no. But if you're willing to come over here, then we'll have a deal.
All right. I will be coming.
You're willing to come?
Yes.
Fine. We have a deal then.
I was about to close in your account.
That will be necessary, Father. I am now a changed person. I'm sorry for the way I have been behaving in this palace. I've been sounding rude, disrespecting everyone. I'm deeply sorry about that. I can't even explain what came over me. I'm ready to seek help. I visited the flower girl and we agreed to be visiting her garden for my therapy section.
You'll be visiting her garden? Was she not supposed to come here?
Yes, but she says she's always busy with clients, so I have to go.
Oh, that's nonsense. Are we not paying her enough?
Brother, you know, I'm still surprised the way you speaking. I mean, whatever that is responsible for this change, I love it. I like it. I love it. I'm so happy.
No.
Desier, my heart will be gladdened if you're back to your old self. I'll be very, very happy. I can't just wait, son. Look into my eyes.
You know, I was really surprised when he came here and said he is ready for me to help him.
Do you know, I thought you convinced him to agree to it. I was more than surprised when he came to apologize to our parents and said he has accepted for you to help him. I am so grateful. Like, thank you so much. Just help me to restore my brother. Just let him get back to his normal self. I will be indebted to you, Diana. I promise.
Like I said before, my princess, you don't have to worry. I will do my very best to make sure I restore your brother. And your brother gets back to his normal self with the help of my flowers.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, but yes, I believe we will do it. But you know, the bulk of the job lies on him. He needs to be willing to change. That's all I can say.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How much am I supposed to pay for the commencement of the therapy sections?
My princess, I won't be taking anything from you. Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, with time.
Do you mean for now?
For now. I will let you know when I need anything from you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. You're welcome.
Alright. I'll take my leave.
What do you mean you can't kill him? Amobi, what do you mean that you can't kill him? I thought you hated him as well for what he did to me.
Of course, I hate him so much for how he treated you and all that. But killing him now is something that I cannot just do.
So when do you want to do it? When do you want to kill him? Because I can't wait to see him dead. He needs to die. So when are you doing it?
Sonia, I need you to calm down. Just calm down. Listen, I got you in this, trust me.
Really?
I will do it, but not just now.
I'm disappointed in you. I'm so disappointed right now.
Sonia.
Get out of my house.
Wait. Are you walking out of your house?
You heard me. Get up and leave now.
You know, when a child spits on the air, it falls back at him and thereby defiles his face.
Shut up and leave. Get out. Leave and don't come back again. Get out. Oh my God.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love, for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace.
Please, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please spare my life. Please.
It's okay. Hope you're not hurt. It's okay, just a mistake.
Please spare my life. Spare my life. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please. Please.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Just clean it up, okay? Stand up. It's okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I'm not a changed person, so relax. Just clean this up. And be careful, okay? Be careful so that you don't injure yourself. Okay? Be careful. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Listen, I don't bite. I'm not a changed person, okay?
Okay, sir.
It's just a mistake. It could happen to anybody. I said I'm a changed person. I won't even touch you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Be free.
Look, Sonia, even in as much as I want you to deal with that monster for what he did to you, but ending his life, I'm not going to be party to that.
That is exactly what he deserves for ruining my life. So he has to pay. Babe, I know what he did was terrible. It was extreme, but ending it, killing him, no now. I don't care. I don't. He needs to die. He has to pay for everything he did to me. So I don't care. No, I totally disagree. Babes, you are treading on a very wrong path. And trust me, I'm not going to support you on this one. You're not going to support me? Then fuck off and mind your business. I don't need your support. Wow. Listen, I know how you are feeling, but you don't know how I feel. You know nothing about how I feel right now because you're not the one who cannot give birth to a child. I don't have a womb anymore because of Dozier. So you know nothing about how I feel. So shut the fuck up and mind your damn business because you know nothing about how I feel. Do you understand right now? Don't provoke me.
Hi.
You are late.
Yeah, sorry. I had to...
Don't do this next time. Always keep to time. I said, watch. Don't talk, please.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you aware that I'm still standing here?
Of course, I'm aware. I'm not blind.
So what am I supposed to be doing here?
Do you really need my help?
Of course, if I don't need your help, I won't be here.
Then keep quiet and watch. We don't need noise.
Who are the we?
I said, Mr. Man, keep quiet. We don't need noise.
Cheers for our son being a better man.
Is that how you share?
Hmm?
You're supposed to be civilized by now. All the same, I'm very happy.
Because you weren't interested initially. Your son is back. I'm so happy he has changed for the best.
For the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. My God, it feels like heaven.
Not again. Back to Egypt?
I'll find out.
Not again. Not again. Not again! What do you think I've come with?
I swear to God, that flower girl is annoying. She wasted my whole day for nothing.
You mean doing nothing?
Yes.
You didn't have any section without...
Yes. I was just there and the idiot was busy taking care of her flowers. Since morning.
What could have been wrong?
I shouldn't have listened to you. I regret visiting there today. I mean, what sort of embarrassment is that?
But brother, you
Do I look jobless?
But brother, you know you...
You know what? I'm done with this conversation. Just leave me.
Brother...
Get out. Talk before you exit. Still get out and go. Don't say your phone.
What happened last night? My brother came back home very angry.
Why is your brother not here yet? Doesn't he know we have another section today?
Wait, you had a section?
Yes, we had a section yesterday. See, call your brother. If he doesn't get here by the end of today, if he comes here tomorrow, he should know that I am no longer interested to lecture him. Make him know that.
But he came back home saying that you never had a section, so...
Your brother is not serious. I don't have time for people that are not serious. As you can see, I have time for people that want to be saved. So just let him know.
Hey, my beat just fell. Give it to me. You have a bigger problem.
You, get up from here. Go. Go. See yourself in public. The happened is right. Come.
You know why?
What's the problem?
You know why it is? I caught him molesting a girl after slapping her. That's wickedness now. I told him to stop. He said no. I was like, okay, let me teach you a lesson you will never forget.
And you wanted to kill him. You nearly killed that little boy, which would have landed you in a police cell again. What is wrong with you? Can't you control your anger?
Listen, if people can identify right and wrong and stick to right, we won't be having problems. What he did is wrong now. Huh? No one disrespects me and goes scot-free. Only her.
Only her? Who is this girl you're talking about?
This stupid flower girl now.
Wait, she disrespected you?
Many times, bro.
Listen, and you didn't treat her like you did to others.
I guess that girl is my soft spot.
Can you listen to yourself? You just said that this girl disrespected you many times. She deserves to be punished, yet you didn't.
Don't forget, she's my teacher. I find it difficult to hurt her. Let's leave the sun now.
Teacher, my food.
My princess, I got a pardon from the prince for mistakenly breaking his glass cup. I thought I was going to die when the glass got shattered. But to my greatest surprise, he showed compassion. I mean, I'm so happy the princess changed.
You're surprised, I know. He has improved lately. The prince has actually changed.
My princess, and I know you're responsible. I want to say thank you for not giving up on him. The prince is a good man, and I know that very, very soon he will come out fully from the thing that made him a monster. You're the best sister anyone could ever ask of.
You're right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my princess.
He's the person I wanted to kill. He has to die. Him.
This guy again?
What do you mean this guy again? Do you know him before?
Yes, someone paid us to kill him, but later call off the heat.
Someone? Really?
Yeah. But wait, why do everybody want him dead?
Everyone wants him dead because he is a beast who is not supposed to coexist among the humans. He needs to die.
Sorry, ma, we can't help you because someone has already paid us to kill the prince, but later call off the heat.
What?
And if you go ahead and kill the prince, it's going to be an issue between us and the person.
Did I hear you well? Someone already paid you to kill him? Who is the animal that stopped the hit on a man who is supposed to be dead by now? Who is the only beribe that did that nonsense? Who is he? What? This is unbelievable. This man? Wow. Okay. Change of plan. Now I know who to kill first.
You know you're the last person I should be having this conversation with right now. After what happened to Sonia. But that aside, she's about doing something.
What do I have to discuss about Sonia?
Very angry with you. And I'm still much angry with you. But let's not talk about it now. She's about doing something that might ruin her life or land her to jail for life.
I'm listening.
She wants to kill the prince.
What? Why would she even think of that? Is she stupid or something?
I've cautioned her and also advised her against it. But she don't want to listen to me anymore. And as it stands right now, she might engage people to get that job done for her. Please, I need you to stop her, please.
I don't understand. Why? My bag. Please give me my bag. My bag. Please give me my bag. Now give me my bag.
Give her the bag.
Oga.
Give her the bag.
You mind yourself.
Just mind yourself.
Oh my God.
Now, who is this man? Come on. Hey! Give her the key. Give her the key now.
Oh my God.
Okay, look at this man.
Oh my God. Ah! Don't! Oh my God. 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 Yes, I'm okay.
I'm sure you're fine.
I'm okay. Why? Oh my God. Why did you come to the garden for 2 days now?
Are you serious?
Yes, you heard me.
You should be saying thank you for saving your life.
Really? Now listen to me. Any day you miss my section, you will repeat. Did I make myself clear? If you miss a day, just know that you're going to start afresh. And once you're back, you're going to start afresh so that you will know that you are here for serious business and not for jokes. Thank you for saving my life. And the way you beat up that guy, that was too bad. It's an eyesore to my eyes. Please, you need to be refixed.
This
What the hell are you up to, Sonia?
And what are you doing here?
Listen, I need you to stop pretending. Amaka told me everything already. And you need to stop!
I repeat again. What are you doing in my house?
Listen to me, Sonia. I'm not joking with you. I need you to let me handle this my own way, okay?
And who are you to order me around? Who are you to tell me what to do and what not to do?
Sonia, stop!
Please.
Stop it! Listen. I'm here out of the respect that I have for you. And because part of me still cares so much about you. Allow me to handle this. And stop trying to kill the prince. I will not warn you again.
Blah blah. Get out! Leave! Stupid man. Amobi, you are a dead man.
You know, I don't even know why I keep coming here. Because you are annoying. Yes, when I say you are annoying, I mean every word of it. You are annoying. Anyways, I'm here. What are we doing today?
You will let me know when you're ready. So I can commence with today's section.
I'm ready, but I'm not going to stand here doing nothing and watch you all day.
Mr. Man, do you need my help? And do you want to be saved? You listen and keep quiet and watch. Please, don't disturb me.
Hey. When you get to Hogod, I'll be a meme wash back again.
This lady wants you dead.
And she paid us heavily.
Like very handsomely. To get you down.
You know, at this point of my life, I've known the difference between the drum and the drummer itself. It's settled. She just sealed her own fate.
As you know, like I was saying, today I will be teaching you different types of soil. So we have 3 different types of soil. We have the loamy soil, we have the sandy soil, we have the clay soil. That's the one they use in molding. So, but if you mix the combination of sandy and the loamy soil, will give you better nutrients to your flower. It's good to use to cultivate your flower. It has high pH level and it contains a lot of protein for your flowers.
Loamy soil?
Yes.
Is that why you are here? Why are you teaching me what I don't need? This thing has no link to my problem. I'm here for anger issues. Tell me how to manage my anger. Stop teaching me about soils.
Mr. Man, I hope you've been listening to my lectures, because after this section, I am going to ask you questions, and if you don't answer it, you will repeat this section.
Teacher, don't teach me nonsense. I have been listening to you, but you're not making sense to me. You're not making sense to me. What am I supposed to do with this? Clay soil, loamy soil, sandy soil? No! It's not in sync with why I'm here.
So what condition are you here for?
Anger. Anger management. Teach me how to control my temper, because I am already losing it on you.
Oh, it's obvious you are irredeemable. Else, you would have been understanding everything I've been teaching you here. I am not deaf and I'm not dumb. So you better listen to me or you get out if you're not ready.
I'm not interested in flowers.
Forever. Oh my goodness. Wow. Anyway, don't mind him. He's just a madman. Okay? So, we continue. Yeah.
Son? No one told me you sent for me.
I did not send for you. I only came here with your mother to let you know about our decision to fly you abroad so that you can meet with international therapists that can take care of your condition.
Yes, my son. You know, the therapists we have here in the country are not of help to you. We've thought about it and decided it's better for you to go out there in a foreign land to seek for help.
No matter what, I don't like traveling out of this country. I am not interested.
My son, you know you are our only son. We want the best for you. The only thing we ask of you now is to give us that chance, the chance to do it for you. We know and believe that you will become better.
Are you done?
Trust me, son. Dozier, all we need from you is to make this positive decision. They will do a lot to help your condition.
Go on my behalf.
Well, Diana, the flower girl, I just want to say thank you for the little time you spent with my brother and the things you have done for him. And my parents have decided to send him abroad. Yes, to seek for a better and best therapist. So, he will be traveling soon.
You're welcome, my princess, but do you think sending your brother abroad to meet with a therapist is the best for him?
Well, I can't really say, but if that would be best for him, I'm in support of it. Anything that would bring my brother back to his normal self, whatever that would just make him feel alright, I am in support of it.
My princess, like I told you before, your brother is the only one who can help himself. Yes, his willingness for change is the only thing that can help your brother. Anyway, I have some flowers that can help a broken heart.
This is why I am disappointed. Why didn't you give him some flowers? That was what I heard before coming to you. That you give flowers to people and heal them. So what happened to my brother?
There are no flowers here that can do magic. No, none at all. In your brother's case, none of them will work for him because he has not even accepted the fact that he has a problem. Secondly, the anger your brother has is not a momentary anger. It's beyond that. It's an anger that runs through the vein and his bloodstream.
Are you saying that my brother is cursed?
My princess, I haven't said so. But from the look of things and his behavior, I can say from my observation, your brother is under a spell. And you sending him abroad to meet a therapist will only be waste of money and time.
So, what are you advising?
I advise, if your brother must travel to abroad, he should first go and meet a horticulturist or a florist like me that grows flowers. Must it be someone that grows flowers? Huh? Yes, my princess. Because growing flowers demands a lot of patience, perseverance. Flowers are very delicate in nature. They want so much care. Flowers are like babies. They communicate like human beings. So anyone that grows flowers knows that flowers demand a lot of attention and needs patience. Your brother, that's exactly what he needs. You know, from the beginning when you're growing flowers, it doesn't make sense. It looks like, oh, you're playing. But when the flowers grows, the beauty and the aroma that comes from the flowers can mend a broken and a troubled heart. And that's what your brother needs.
Wicked soul.
Meaning?
What do you mean by meaning? Are you not wicked? Sonia loves you. She was even ready to give up anything just for you. The fact that you even make her to believe that the feeling we are mutual is what I don't understand. It's okay. But to the point of beating her to the point that she lost your own child and her womb. Are you not such a wicked man?
I don't care how you perceive me. But the next time you stop me to talk bullshit, I will use my jack on you.
I don't blame you. It's Sonia that I blame that couldn't see your heart early enough. As for me, I don't even believe I don't even need any socier to tell me how evil you are. You don't deserve anything good. And I promise you, God will punish you. He will judge you and visit you.
I like the fact that you said God will judge me. Better, because you are not my level. Let him treat me the way he feels. Fine. I will tolerate that from him, but I will not tolerate that from you. Be careful.
And or else?
I will beat you here and now.
Oh yeah, beat me. Oh yeah, beat me. I'm here. Beat me, because that's the only thing you know how to do. Beat me.
Tolo. Thank
no,
you.
Come.
I'm busy.
Busy? Why are you running? Come and beat me. Woman beater. That's the only thing you know how to do. You can't even stand your fellow man. Come and beat me. To think that you're a prince. Useless set of human being. Nonsense.
This is strange.
I ran into that girl and she gave me the insult of my life.
Don't mind that bitch, that frustrated bitch. Maybe she has been wanting you to talk to her or something, but you never looked her in the face.
God forbid.
I know that you're going to say this.
Well, my parents are planning on sending me abroad to meet the world's best therapist to work on my anger issues.
Oh, wow. That's good news then.
Yes, but I'm not interested.
Why?
I don't know why my parents feel I have a problem. But for me, I'm fine.
My guy, you're not fine. You have anger issues and you get angry so easily.
Even if I have anger issues, is that enough reason to send me abroad in search for solution? Okay, imagine this. My flight neighbor will be like, oh, I'm traveling to Germany to import this, to buy this machine. And I'll be like, oh, I'm traveling to Germany in search of a therapist to work on my anger issues. Dude,
Look at the way you're laughing at me now. I look stupid in that flight. But to be honest, if flying you abroad to go see a therapist is the only thing that's going to solve these anger issues, I will support you, my full chest. I mean, I will do anything for you. You're my guy. Oh, bro, let's go somewhere, man. It's not that serious, please. Hey! That's a big deal.
Babe, Sonia. 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 Somebody help! Sonia.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf.
Listen, if you are here to talk to me about traveling abroad, don't waste your time.
I don't think you should travel either.
It's like you are the only person seeing things from my own point of view.
Yes, because I don't think you need the help you want in abroad. You have the help here in Nigeria.
Whatever.
With Diana.
Excuse me? With who?
Diana.
Please don't even go there.
See, we got talking, right? And I told her about the plans our parents have in sending you abroad. And I even told her what I think about it.
Next time you walk out of my garden, don't bother coming back. Did I make myself clear?
I find it difficult to say this. Anyways, I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter. Did I make myself clear? I will not repeat this section again. Agreed?
I heard you loud and clear.
Better. Excuse me.
What is the name of this flower?
Don't worry. I will teach you all of it. Just concentrate on what I'm doing. Okay? So when you do this, you smile. You're happy. You keep doing it. Yay.
Let me get this straight. Are you sure that his parents want to send him abroad?
Yes, Father.
How did you get to know this?
Prince told me himself. He told me that his father wants to send him abroad so he can seek for help. Which you and I know that is a total waste of time.
Yeah. Did you encourage him or disencourage him?
Come on, Father, what were you expecting? I encouraged him as well. Listen, Father, because I know that him traveling outside the country gives us the opportunity to destroy the king so that I can sit on that throne.
Yeah. If he leaves, the throne is ours.
Father, the throne is mine. Don't forget that.
Yeah. The throne is yours.
So this is the new garden. I am trying to plant flowers. You know, when you want to plant flowers in a new garden, you have to categorize it. You have to differentiate them from different colors and different species. You can plant all the flowers together. Am I making myself clear? And there are flowers that just grow once a year. You plant it once a year, they grow and they flourish. Those type of flowers are like marigold. You know marigold? You know impatis. So these are the kind of flowers that grow once a year. So with time, I am going to teach you everything. I hope you understand.
Yes, but I need to be jotting them down. I need a pen and paper.
You don't need to worry. Before you leave, I will give you a book that contains all these things so that when you get home, you will study it. While you're trying to, cultivate your flower, it will enable you. Is that okay?
It's fine.
Okay, so can you feel the flower? Gently. You have to be calm about it. You can feel it, right? So, like these flowers now, as you can see, they are all the same. So this is how you cultivate flowers. And you have to be patient to watch them grow. Okay. You understood, right? So this is how you plant it. So very soon, we're going to plant different types of flowers here with different colors. Because you can plant all flowers together. Am I understood?
Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. There is no teaching without audience. So I must commend you. Thank you for listening to me.
You're welcome. I enjoyed myself. And I can't wait for us to continue tomorrow.
Yes. The time is 8 a.m. No African time. Understood?
Alright. I will be here by 7:30 a.m.
Okay. Take care.
Father, I have thought about it properly. I'm not comfortable with traveling abroad just to seek for solution. Whatever we seek abroad can be found here.
But the therapists in this country doesn't seem to be helping your situation at all.
But I'm comfortable with the flower girl. Let's give her a chance to work on me.
The flower girl? I thought you said you don't like her method.
That was then. I now know her properly. I'm convinced she will have a solution to my problem.
Son, are you sure of what you've just said?
Yes, Father.
I support you, my beloved brother. After listening to Diana, this flower girl, I am convinced that she is the only one who can help my brother. So, Mom, Dad, I support his decisions. Please.
It's okay. I just hope he's right with his decision.
That's right.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear.
Flower girl, how are you?
Fine. What time did you get here?
I told you. I will be here early enough.
I see. That's not the answer to my question. I said, what time did you get here?
I was here 7 a.m. on a dot.
Oh, quite impressive. I know it will be very, very inconveniencing for you as a prince.
Please. Start addressing me as a dozier. I don't think I'm mentally fit for that title, prince, for now.
Okay, you're welcome.
How was your night?
Very well. I just want to check up on my babies. How was your night? Okay. So, tell me, did you sleep well? Is that what? Did you sleep well? So, who is gisting me today? Okay. So, what are you saying? You said what? Oh, okay. As you can see this, so this is white fickles. Say white fickles.
White fickles.
Yes. So this says Madagascar periwinkle. That's it. The one with the purple. Periwinkle. Not the periwinkle they are eating, no. This is crown of thorns.
Okay.
And this is golden palm.
How come you know all their names?
Of course, this is what I do. And the book I gave to you, I have all of them listed inside the book. Maybe you haven't gone through it. So I know all of them. And this is a caliphate. We have so many. We have Queen of the Night. We have
Night.
Yes,
Can you show me
sunflowers. Okay, it's down there, but I'll show you. I'll take you there. That one only, you can only perceive it at night. Yes, when you're sleeping, you can perceive it. You remember I told you about lavender, right? The one I told you can only help you sleep.
Oh.
Yes. The same way the Queen of the Night will help you. The aroma can caress you and make you feel so alive. So are you getting anything?
Yes, I'm trying to.
So can you recite it?
Huh?
I said you should recite it.
But I remember you said something about apple what?
No, a caliphate.
A caliphate, okay.
Yes.
Right.
This one is Madagascar periwinkle.
Madagascar periwinkle.
Yes, and this is, what did I call this? Golden palm.
Golden palm, okay. What about the other one you mentioned? You said tatafo.
Oh, I said white fickles.
Oh, my bad. White fickles.
Yes. I hope you understand.
Yes.
So come with me. Let me show you more and teach you more.
Okay.
What did I call that?
You said tatafo.
Ha! I said white fickles.
Okay, white fickles.
When you're touching my flowers, you touch it softly and gently. Please. Okay, come with me. You know what this is? You know already, right? Okay, come. So I'll be showing you more and teaching you more so that later you will recite everything.
My heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. My
Why is this guy not gonna go?
So the seed I gave to you, when you get to the house, go to the backyard, plant it. But before you plant, make sure to taste the texture of the soil. Else, the flower will not grow. Am I understood?
Trust me, I will make you proud.
Thank you, but you don't have to make me proud. You have to make your family, yourself, and your community proud.
Yeah.
So I'll be visiting the palace to check up on the flower, but make sure to send me the picture when you're done.
Of course I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Any other thing?
No, but if there's anything you want me to do for you, like financial assistance, please feel free. Okay.
Thank you so much, my prince. You don't need to. Bye.
I don't think I'll be traveling out again.
What happened?
Whatever I'm going to look for abroad, I can find here with the help of Diana.
Diana? Who is Diana?
The flower girl I told you about.
Oh, she's the one you were telling me about, yeah.
That girl is good. You need to see how she operates. I mean, she trained flowers. And you know, training flowers is all about patience and tolerance. Because you might waste your time growing a flower and the flower will end up dying all of a sudden. So you have to regrow again. That process of patience is working on me. I'm beginning to enjoy it and it's helping me.
But my prince, I don't see how that can be of any help to you. Like you said, she grows flowers and that's what she does as a job. I don't see how that will solve your problem.
When something is working on me, I know. You see that girl's method? Trust me, it's perfectly working on me. I'm changing, I'm gradually changing. I don't easily get angry anymore. It's working, trust me.
Oh, I can see that it should have a good effect on you. Yeah. So now you know the names of flowers.
Of course.
My prince. Okay.
What do you mean that the prince is not traveling abroad again? Why the sudden change?
A flower girl, florist or whatever she calls herself.
The same florist that I talked to his father about?
Yes, father. The prince seems to be attracted to her and have decided to waste his time learning how to grow flowers.
Unbelievable.
Father, listen to me. I'm going to take that girl out of the picture. I'm not asking for your permission because I know you're not going to give it, okay?
Amobi, no. No.
You know, I know that you're going to say this and you still didn't disappoint me, Father. Goodbye. I'm tired of doing things your own way. I want to do things the way I wanted.
Oh, no. Amobi! Get back here! How dare you walk out on me, Amobi?
I was just coming from the backyard and I saw some flowers being planted there. Who did that?
Yes, your son, the prince. He said he was given an assignment by the therapist to plant some flowers. So that's the assignment.
Wait, I'm not getting it right. Are you trying to tell me that my son, the prince, is the one that planted those flowers without any helper or someone helped him to do that?
Mom, I am as surprised as you are.
That's amazing. It's good. Wow, that's great. So who could have believed that the prince would stoop so low as to be patient with the soil to plant some flowers? It's a massive improvement for someone that has anger problem.
You're right, Mom, because me, I can't.
Wow, I'm quite impressed. Where is he?
He's in his room. I just left his room.
Let me go and congratulate him. He's doing well. That is it. Yes, that therapist is doing a wonderful work where he is.
Good job.
Let me see.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love.
Hey, mister. What's the meaning of this you're doing in my gardens? What exactly are you doing? Wait, you're smoking in my garden? Please throw that away. Don't you know this is not good for the health of my flowers and for your own health too?
But this is the best place to smoke.
What are you saying? They are already complaining. They are not happy.
They don't like it.
They don't like it. Please throw it away.
Oh, sorry about that.
Sorry for yourself. I don't ever want to see you. Are you still smoking it? Have you thrown it away?
Sorry about that. I never knew. I thought. Anyway, sorry.
Sorry, my babies. Don't worry. He will stop. Today, I want to teach you the health benefit of flour. They have different types of flour that is good for your health. Like Daisy. Daisy is good for what? For the improvement of your digestive organs. Are you listening to me? Jasmine. Jasmine is used for relaxation. With jasmine, you can relax. It helps your blood pressure. It calms down blood pressure. It promotes your productivity. Then when it comes to calendula flour can be used to cover wounds. You know wounds? When you have burns or something, that is what you use. Do I make myself clear? Can you explain, mention what I just stated?
I heard you said Katangana or something.
Calendula. How will you know? When you're busy smoking that thing.
It doesn't affect my thinking.
It doesn't affect your thinking? It does. Please.
Oh no! Yes, nah. Your king is happy today. You will not believe it. My dear, the tremendous change, the improvement in my son's life is very, very massive and is worth celebrating.
Wait a minute. The same flower girl I told you that is valueless for him to go to?
The same flower girl. That same flower girl, ever since my son started seeing that flower girl, I don't know how the girl managed. Turned my son's life upside down to a better man. I am telling you, that boy is no more aggressive. He doesn't throw tantrums any longer. If you talk to him, he will reply you gently without getting angry and getting upset. Who am I? I'm happy.
My king, it's a huge improvement if you ask me.
Huge improvement, yes. Indeed, you can say that again. You see, that flower girl succeeded in turning my son's life to a better man. I am just happy. Huh? I just don't really know how to do this, but I think it calls for celebration. You see that flower girl? I will reward her bountifully. It calls for celebration. Hello, what do you think? Hello?
My king, I'm sorry. Yes. I do have once in a while this migraine headache that comes and goes. It's back up again. I think I have to go home.
You have it now?
Yes.
You want to have a rest or something?
I think I'll go home and...
Please, you better do.
Yes.
Please, at least this calls for celebration. We don't need any cups now.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the
Thank you. And all thanks to your lectures. You know, I almost gave up when the initial ones I planted died. But I remember what you taught me about patience. So I didn't give up. I replanted these ones and here we are today.
I am super proud of you. You know, you should be proud of yourself. A lot of people would have given up after first trial. Literally, I know you would have given up. But because you've already started understanding everything I've been teaching you, that's why you didn't give up, right?
Yes.
Oh, I see. That's so nice. I'm super proud of you.
Thank you.
You need to celebrate.
No, we have to celebrate.
We? But I don't drink.
For my sake, you can drink alcohol today. Then tomorrow you can continue your alcohol fasting.
Okay, that's so nice. Wow. I had a nice time. I really enjoyed myself today.
The pleasure is mine. I'm glad I was able to make you laugh. Yes, because you're always serious with life and your flowers.
Of course, I need to be serious for you to understand the seriousness of the situation we're handling.
Oh, nice one. Thanks for everything.
I must say thank you so much for having me today. I had a nice time. Thank you.
The pleasure is mine.
So we call it a day?
All right.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Can I get a hug?
Oh, hug?
Yes.
Okay. Though I...
Flower girl. All right, take care.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
My regards to your flowers.
All right, they will share.
Mom, I think your son is in love.
Did you observe that as well? I've noticed that and I said, let me just keep quiet and keep on watching. I've seen how she has been frequenting here with my son nowadays.
Exactly. Do you know I have been eardropping? Do you know what I mean?
I like that. It is good and it sounds good to my hearing. You know what? I like that girl and I would like her to be part of our family. Yeah, she is so special and she is good. She is a nice girl and precious.
I support that as well. I can't even wait. I just wish they'll get married tomorrow.
Have you forgotten that your father needs to give his approval first?
No. Do you need a soothsayer to tell you the father is in support of both of them? I'm sure you don't.
You need to, as in, wait for him to say it. Let him pronounce it first.
I know he does.
Hello. Your charms have failed. A Mayflower girl ruined my dreams.
Impossible!
Impossible, you say? Yes. Have you seen the prince lately? You assured me that the prince will continue misbehaving and he will lose his parents' love and his father will die. Then my son Amobi will emerge. That's what you told me.
So shall it be?
So shall it be, you said?
Yes.
I would have slapped your face right now. Have you seen the prince lately? He is a changed man. Yes, he has regained his parents' love and care. What sort of nonsense have you done for me?
It can be.
What do you mean it can be?
What happened?
An ordinary flower girl did the magic. And you, stupid Akatwa, with your little gods and your power, you couldn't do anything for me. People, they come from afar to consult you for their problems. God knows that you are just a scam native doctor that is taking money from people for nothing. When I come back to you, you will give me all my money. All the money that I spent You must give it back to me, or I'll make you look like this, like a sport.
Oh no!
Shut up!
Oh no!
I said shut up!
Watch yourself.
Watch who?
Watch yourself, oh no!
Who do you think you are? You are nobody! You just set up a shrine here taking money from people and doing nothing. What you told me that you did for me didn't work, did it? And if you open your mandibles again, I will put my fist in your mouth and your teeth gonna go into your brains.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Watch yourself, oh no! Watch yourself, oh no!
I said, shut up!
Oh no! You are crossing your boundary, oh no!
I say, shut up!
Wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clean.
Father, he's done.
Oh, wonderful. Great! Wow. Has she been married?
Not yet, Father.
Smarten up. Bury her. Why are you wasting time? The prince must not trace anything about her. Do that.
But Father, what about the prince? I would like to bury the both of them together. I'm ready.
The prince is next on the line. I assure you, your father will make that happen. Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a high five.
I think she has been kidnapped.
What?
Yes. I've been calling her line and nobody's speaking. I went to her garden and saw her car, wide open, with no one in it.
Wow.
So I think she was on her way home before she was abducted.
Calm down, son.
Father, don't tell me to calm down. I'm already in love with the flower girl. Sorry I've not told you people. So if anything happens to her, I'm finished.
My son, nothing will happen to her. Nothing will cut short your joy. We will find her. Again, I think we should do something. Maybe involve the police in this.
That's right. I'll call the DPO immediately. I'll tell all his men to go in search of her right away. I will do exactly that.
Good. And
Right.
the good thing is our phone is still ringing. So that means you can track it since it's an iPhone. I think I have somebody who does tracking of phones. Maybe I should just call him. Right, brother?
I need a moment to think.
Okay,
Just call the police first.
Okay, let me also get my phone and call the phone tracker.
am I? Oh my God. Where am I?
Oh.
Help! Please help me! Shut up! Who are you? Shut up! Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? Why did you bring me here now?
I will bury you today for causing me so much pain.
Okay. What did I do to you? I've not even met you before. Have we met before?
I'm referring to the so-called prince of this land, who have been my enemy over the ages. I've even made plans to eliminate him before he came into the picture to disrupt my plan.
The prince? You mean the prince? Please, Oga, I'm begging you in the name of God. I don't want to die. If I die, my flowers will wither. Please, Oga, I am ready to pay you. I will pay you any amount that you want. Please keep me alive.
Did he just say pay? You think that I'm poor? You think that I don't have money? I am Donowu's son. As a matter of fact, my father is richer than the king himself. I just want to sit on that stool of power.
God, please. I'm the only child of my parents. I don't want my flowers to die.
Well,
I don't want to die. I'm begging you. I will never come between you and the prince or your throne. Please just keep me alive. A lot of people are happy that I'm alive. I'm begging you, don't do this to me. Ah! Somebody help me!
It's too late now. Look.
Somebody help me! Oh, please! Oh! Look at me! Oh! Oh, baby! Baby! Oh! Baby!
No, you're dead! Sonia!
Somebody help me! Help me! Help me! Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
Ah! That's a good one. I'm one up. Don't go away back. You go check. Come kuyo ku. Come kuyo ku. Your Highness, the gods have finally spoken. Abumua. The mask is about to fall off to reveal the face of the enemies. Yes.
I can't wait. I can't wait to behold the face of the person causing me these pains these years. I cannot wait. Who is this person, Ezemo?
Your Highness, you will soon know the face. You will soon know the face of the person. The wait is no more. The patience is gone. Because the truth that was sunk, crushed to the sands, is about to rise again. Omoma ebungu mma na adịrị nkọ mana nkirikiri ka a na-ekiri odeji odeli o ji abụrụ ahịa tụcha mụ abụ udele nwụrụ ọdụ mụ gwara gị ha ọgwụ gafee ofe ọbụrụ ọgara ọra bụ onye ọbụrụ ose ọbara ha eto ogere iji tofu maka ndị na-emeghị ose akwụ ọgara ọka bụ mụ na-ekwu.
Does this person have a name? Tell me, let me send him to afterlife.
Your Highness, he has name. You will soon know the name. Glory to the gods. Nemaja. Okirikiri ka na agba ose a na-arị elu. Ọ bụ eze ka udele. Dokere ogwu ịba agwa na-ekwu tofu ọgakara.
Oso ọbụbụkwa ego. Anụrụ m ihe kwuru. Deme. Ọ ji adịrị gị mma. Akwụlakwụla ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ. Ọma windo were ekwentị ya ma windo ụlọ ya. Anụrụ m ihe kwuru. Ọ ji anụ ya. Nyekwuo m ọja. Okirikiri ka a na-arị otu a na-abụ otu. Okirikiri ka a na-abụ otu a na-arị elu.
My prince, please help me. Sonia wants to kill me. My prince, please.
Amobi, there is time for everything.
My prince, Sonia wants to kill me. Sonia wants to kill me. I will confess.
Amobi. The flower girl is missing. We are tracking her phone, so please, I'm busy.
My prince, please, I will confess. I have her. I'm serious. I wanted to bury her alive. Over there. My prince, please, you need to help me.
Mr. Man, you're under arrest.
My prince, stand up!
Move him to the vicinity first.
Where did you say you want to bury her?
Oh no, but why?
Why? You are my friend. I take you as my own blood brother. You bite me by the back. You betrayed me. What is your problem? You're even richer than me. You're richer than me. What actually is your problem, Ono?
That is the problem. I have so much money, more than you. It's painful and degrading that I should bear the title Ono while you be the king sitting on the throne.
Ono, are you aware it is my birthright?
Your birthright, my arm. I have the money to make the world go round. Yes, I deserve the throne more than you.
Father, you should be referring to me and not to yourself.
Would you shut up? Would you shut up, Amobi? How dare you reason through your annals? Huh? Do you think your father, as vibrant as I am, will sit down, fold my arms, and watch you sit on the throne while I be your Ono? Oh, come on. It's mission impossible.
Betrayer. Father, we had an agreement. How dare you do this to me?
Amobi, I'm totally disappointed in you and your father. I was rolling with you as my friend. I never knew you wanted the throne at all costs.
Getting rid of you is something that I've always wanted to do. If not, my father here made me believe in his ways. He made me believe that I will be king. He told me to keep on hold on you after killing the king. Listening to him is my biggest regret.
I wanted your son, the prince, to break your backbone, to break your heart, so that you will die of heart attack. What? I want to ruin him. I put a spell on him. Yes. And spin his medulla oblongata round to make him an awful person. I did that.
Oh no! Just wait. Are you trying to tell me that you are behind my son's terrible acts and behavior? How dare you!
Listen to me, idiot! I swear with my life, I swear with everything that I represent, I will deal with you decisively. I will use everything within my reach, every power within my reach to crush you. You will suffer till you die.
You are nothing but a Let me answer your question. You can hate me. You can love me. Do you see any remorse in me? No. All I know is that I did what my conscience said that I should do. No regret. And all I know is that I'm going to deal with you as the king of this kingdom with whatever that my conscience remains in my consciousness.
This flower girl here saved my life. And for that reason, I will make her my wife. Sorry I'm saying it here. I will make it official and present it in a proper way later. You both will rot in jail. Officers, move them.
Take these evil men out of here.
Just take it easy. Get out of my sight! I do not want to behold your face again until you are dead.
Demons, look at them. Worthless people.